In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Earn to Die Rogue game on your smartphone. So let's begin. First, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once it is opened up, you can tap on the search box, and now you can type in Earn to Die Rogue to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and now within the game page, you can check out the trailer, the game info, as well as reviews that have been left by users. In order to install it, tap on the install button, and now this will begin the download and installation of the game. Just wait until this process is completed, and you can also enable the auto open toggle, which will automatically open up the application once the installation is done. After opening up the game, accept the terms and conditions, and now you can start enjoying the Earn to Die Rogue game on your smartphone. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Earn to Die Rogue. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.